Deep in the heart of North Carolina, where rich soil and warm summers create the perfect growing conditions.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something truly special for you. We are inside one of the biggest sweet potato processing plants.
Looks like we got a real good crop this year, Bobby.
Carolina produces nearly 60% of all sweet potatoes grown in the United States, making it the undisputed capital of this beloved root vegetable.
These are looking real nice this year.
Sweet potato harvest season typically runs from late August through early November, and during those critical months, timing is everything.
All right, everybody, listen up. We're hitting sections 4 through 7 today. Same protocol as yesterday. Let's stay hydrated out there. Watch that rock. Keep it moving. Oh!
During peak harvest, a single mechanical harvester like this one can unearth between 15 and 20 tons of sweet potatoes in.
Got a bunch of runners coming through.
I see them. I got this side. Oh.
Bring another wagon over here.
Each one of these sweet potatoes has spent between 90 and 120 days developing underground.
Good size, clean skin, no scarring. That's a nice one.
Field 3, report when ready.
Maria, you need another bucket over there?
Yeah, send one down. Experienced growers like this man have spent their entire careers learning to read the soil and the sweet potatoes themselves. Yeah, farming is life out here on this Carolina road.
So check this out. We're right here at the field staging area where everything comes together. These bins you see behind me,
By the end of each harvest day, this staging area will have processed over 300 tons of sweet potatoes. Each
Good day out there, y'all. Good day. See you bright and early tomorrow morning. Go ahead and send the next 2 trucks through gate B.
Every single truckload that arrives at the collection depot is carefully weighed, logged, and traced back to its specific farm of origin.
Lane 2 is getting backed up. Let's move those Covingtons to overflow.
Copy that. On my way.
Before a single sweet potato moves any further down the supply chain, this quality assurance team runs a comprehensive battery of tests.
link.
Little more to the right. Right there. Perfect. Bring it down easy.
Route calculated. Proceed to exit and turn right.
Dispatch, this is Unit 47, loaded and heading out to the plant. ETA about 20 minutes.
Copy that. 47, safe travels.
The journey from field to factory is intentionally kept short, typically under 20 miles.
Good morning, team. Pull on up to the window, please.
This state-of-the-art processing facility covers over 200,000 square feet and employs more than 400 local workers across 3 daily shifts.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. A little more. And STOP right there. Perfect.
Pallet 12 of 16 scanned and confirmed. Covington, 3,200 pounds.
Bin clear, send the next one over. Whoa! Woo!
Line 2 is running smooth.
We're at capacity on the washer.
The first stop inside the processing plant is this dry brushing station. Pressure looks good, holding at 45 psi on Zone 2.
Even with all the advanced technology in this facility, there is simply no substitute for trained human eyes.
Retort 2 is loaded, seal her up, and start the cycle.
Copy that. Initiating steam injection now.
Sorting efficiency is looking solid. We're running at 96.3% yield right now.
Nest. Size grading is a critical step that determines each sweet potato's ultimate destination.
Curing room 3 is at capacity. Start loading room 4.
Room 5's humidity dropped half a point, and let's check the humidifier intake.
Okay, so this right here is one of the most important stages in the entire process, and most people have absolutely no idea it even happens.
Room 4, bin 27, internal temp 83.4, right on target.
After 7 carefully controlled days, the curing process is complete.
Sanitizer levels look good, holding steady at 150.
Copy, rinse pressure is nominal too.
This is the heart of the operation, the point where a single stream of cured sweet potatoes splits into 4 completely different product lines.
Got a nice batch coming through here. Yeah, this is real clean product today. Levels looking good, should last us through the shift.
On the canning and puree line, sweet potatoes undergo a complete transformation.
Dimensions are right on spec, holding at 75 thousandths.
These 6 industrial cooking kettles can process up to 12 tons of sweet potato cubes per hour.
Flow rate is steady, no blockages. Looking good, keep it running.
The double seam created by this machine is one of the most reliable food preservation technologies ever developed.
This precise combination of time and temperature destroys any potential microorganisms.
Reject number 12, shift 2, underweight by 0.6 ounces, probable underfill, routing to rework.
We need another pallet of bags at station 6. This water jet cutting system is the same technology used in aerospace manufacturing.
Blanch temp holding at 170, looking perfect.
This Indivig quick freezing tunnel is the workhorse of the frozen product line.
Clean break, frozen all the way through, nice and solid.
This multi-head combination weigher is a masterpiece of automation. 14 individual buckets work together.
All right, so I have to tell you, standing right here on this floor is absolutely mind-blowing. To my left, you've got the canning line, putting out 300 cans per minute.
The hammer mill pulverizes the dried sweet potato flakes at over 3,000 revolutions per minute.
Screen pressure is at 32 psi, holding steady.
Keep the feed rate consistent, and we don't want to overload the finisher.
Meters. The homogenizer applies over 3,500 pounds per square inch of pressure. Pizzling outrigging. Aseptic packaging is considered the pinnacle of food preservation technology.
1.5 millimeters on this batch, right where we want it.
Kettle cooking is what gives these sweet potato chips their distinctive crunch and rich flavor.
Sweet potato flour has become one of the most exciting products in the health food market. To create it, we start by drum drying the puree into thin sheets. Flake thickness looks consistent. Moisture content is reading under 7%.
Each bit of ground bells back on there.
Line 2 production count is ahead of schedule. Can we get maintenance over to line 4, please?
Label alignment is dead center. Print quality looks sharp on the coder.
This robotic case packer can fill and seal over 25 cases per minute. That is 300 cans organized and boxed every 60 seconds.
Print is clean, barcode verified, we're good to go.
We're running low on insulated cartons. Can you grab another pallet from the supply cage?
These consumer pouches represent the fastest growing product segment in the sweet potato market.
Lab, this is QA floor 7. Fill weights on line 2 are running 0.2 ounces over target within tolerance.
Copy that, QA7.
Sample 472. Internal temp 197 degrees. Pass.
This state-of-the-art quality control laboratory runs over 120 individual tests every single day.
14.2 bricks, right in the sweet spot.
Plating lot Charlie Papa 0922 Bravo 7 on XLD agar for salmonella screening. 24-hour incubation at 37 degrees Celsius.
The Fresh Pack line is where presentation meets precision. Every sweet potato selected for the fresh retail market.
Nice tight wrap on those, looking really good.
These are really pretty sweet potatoes today. Nice uniform size. Yeah. Yeah, the farm sent us a good batch this morning. Yeah.
Seasoning is where science meets art. The rotating drum ensures every chip receives exactly the right amount of coating.
You know what blows my mind? Everything on this table right here started as the exact same thing.
Lot 722 is released. Go ahead and move it to shipping.
Copy. Pulling it now.
This certificate of analysis is the golden ticket. No product.
Coming through with release product for Dock 12.
Copy, you're clear.
Position lot 722 in aisle Charlie, level 4, slot 12.
Copy. Charlie 412.
This warehouse can hold up to 5,000 pallets of finished product at any given time.
RoboCell 2 is running smooth. Pallet 8 of the shift is building now. No jams.
Each pallet is wrapped with over 800 feet of pre-stretched film.
Pallet Papa Lima Tango 0847, scanned and assigned to Alpha 412, sending reach truck now.
Copy. Alpha 412. Truck 6 is en route.
Frozen fries, lot 14, going into Cold Rack Baker 6, level 3.
Environmental responsibility is a core value at this facility.
Looks like we can reduce boiler 2 output by about 10% during the shift change window, save some natural gas costs.
Behind every impressive production number is a dedicated team of over 400 employees who work 3 rotating shifts to keep this facility running.
Ready for another night shift?
You know it, heard we've got a big order to push through tonight.
Looking good, everyone. Make sure those gloves are on before you touch any equipment.
The sun may set on the fields, but inside this facility, production never stops.
Foam contact time on the filler is up. Go ahead and rinse it down. Make sure we get inside all those tri-clamp joints.
Test point 7, filler head number 12, 12 RLU, pass.
USDA inspectors visit this facility regularly and without advance notice to verify compliance with federal food safety regulations.
All right, so I want to take a second to talk about something really important, quality and food safety.
Dock 3 needs 6 more pallets to complete, all canned product.
Got it. Pulling from aisle Charlie now.
Every outbound shipment undergoes a meticulous verification process.
Safe travels, driver. You're clear through gate 1.
Good evening, driver. Confirming your delivery appointment at the Memphis DC is 0645 tomorrow.
Truck 23 has a 2-hour weather delay, and I'm updating the ETA and notifying the customer.
As night falls across the North Carolina countryside, this facility continues its extraordinary work.
Pulling 2 pallets of 15-ounce can labels for line 2, heading to the staging area now.
Cans coming through for line 2. Clear the path, please.
Bring it on in. Platform is clear.
The can depalletizer feeds approximately 60,000 empty cans per hour onto the filling line.
Running smooth, glue adhesion looks solid on these.
These 3-pounders are looking beautiful, nice uniform bags.
Yeah, the grading team did a great reorganization today, really consistent sizing.
Placement is centered, adhesion looks strong, running great.
The nitrogen flush is the secret to keeping these kettle-cooked sweet potato chips fresh and crunchy for
Carousel bearing is good, grease looks clean, no contamination. Copy, moving to the next point.
Control voltages are all within spec on the filling heads.
Vision system flagged a skewed label on can 7429, pulling it for manual check.
Characters are sharp. Density is good. Nozzles are clean. These shelf-ready display cases represent the latest trend in retail merchandising efficiency.
These cinnamon sweet potato pouches are so popular right now, we can barely keep up with orders.
That's layer 6, 4 more to go. Looking solid, keep that pattern tight. Line 3 is running ahead of schedule, and let's get those pallets wrapped.
Every finished pallet undergoes this precision wrapping process before leaving the facility.
Pallet Papa Tango 472 routed to Publix Lakeland Dock 22. Purchase order Papa X 884721 verified and ready for dock staging.
Lane 3 has 2 pallets ready for Dock 9, Publix Lakeland load.
Copy. Pulling lane 3 now.
Loading a trailer is a precise science. Every pallet has an assigned position in the load plan, calculated to distribute weight evenly across the trailer's axles.
Seal Kilo Romeo 44921 applied and locked, time 8:47.
Witnessed and confirmed, seal intact. So there you have it, everything from washing and curing to canning, freezing, pureeing, frying chips and grinding flour, all packaged up and ready to go.
3 units cleared through gate 1, all seals verified, safe travels, drivers.
Continue on Interstate 95 north for 122 miles.
Right now, trucks just like this one are rolling across American highways in every direction.
73 is open, bring it on in.
Seal verified, temperature compliant, load looks good, authorizing unloading on dock 73.
Copy. Dock 73 is go for unloading.
Attention Zone 14 team, we have a priority inbound from Carolina Gold, sweet potato products for tomorrow's store deliveries, and let's get those inducted quickly.
This order picker is assembling a delivery for a single grocery store location, one of over stores served by this distribution center alone.
Route 14 is almost loaded, just need the frozen section finished.
Copy. Frozen is coming down the belt now.
Morning. Carolina Gold delivery? We've been waiting for this one. The sweet potato section has been looking a little thin. Got everything on your order for the... And here it is, the final destination. After a journey spanning hundreds of miles from the sweet potato fields of North...
Looking good, nice and straight, that's how we do it.
The sweet potatoes from this morning look absolutely gorgeous. Best batch we have had in weeks.
Oh, nice. Those are going to sell fast, especially with Thanksgiving coming up.
Almost done with the frozen section, just need to front face the sweet potato chips and we are good.
From sweet potato flour for the home baker to ready-to-use puree for the busy parent making baby food or holiday pie filling.
Good morning, welcome in. We've got some beautiful sweet potatoes on special this week in produce.
Oh, perfect. 0 fat, tons of vitamin A. These are great.
Mom, can we get the sweet potato fries, please?
Let me check the ingredients. Check these out. You can actually see the farm where these sweet potatoes came from. It is a family farm in North Carolina. They have been growing for...
And just like that, the journey is complete. From a field in North Carolina to a family shopping cart in their neighborhood store.
Mommy, where do sweet potatoes come from?
They grow underground in farms far away, and then they get to a factory where they get
12 psi hold, seal is strong, well above the 8 psi minimum, logging it now.
Can I put the rosemary on, Mommy?
Of course, sweetheart. Just a little bit on each one, just like that. Perfect.
Oh, wow, these look incredible. Nice work, team.
I helped with the rosemary. I want the big one.
At the end of the day, this is what it is all about. A family gathered around the dinner table, sharing a meal.
Sweet potato puree, table 7. Yummy.
Here you go, some sweet potatoes for your family. This sweet potato flour makes the best muffins for my little one.
Ideal. So we have seen the entire journey today, from the North Carolina farm fields all the way to the dinner table. We have 3 containers scheduled for port pickup tomorrow morning. 2 dry and 1 reefer, all comes.
From this North Carolina port, container ships carry American sweet potato products to over 30 countries around the globe.
From above, you can see the elegant simplicity of this supply chain.
Line efficiency is looking really good tonight. Let's keep this pace going. We are ahead of target.
As a new day dawns over North Carolina, the cycle begins again. Fresh sweet potatoes are harvested from these.
That's so yummy, isn't it? These chips are so good. This is the best.
Today, sweet potatoes are one of the fastest growing categories in the American grocery market, with retail sales exceeding $2.8 billion annually.
Well, everyone, that is the incredible journey of the American sweet potato, from the farm fields of North Carolina through this amazing processing facility.
This facility stands as a monument to American agricultural innovation.